Welcome to Antidotetv.
Helmet, dog!
My name is Brian. I'm the chaser. The rest of you guys.
Welcome to Anodot.
What are we doing? Mike wants to do a best entry. What does that mean?
Do like $100 cash prize for best entry.
How about we do a prize for best intro?
When I'm with you, I don't wanna be with you. White hair and a hopeful smile. Your inside is on your outside. I need a pleasant surprise. You are everything, my most demanding dream. Desire to police a world affectionate days with you. I wanna be with you. When I'm with you, I wanna be with you. When I'm with you, I wanna be with you.
Bro, what the f was that?
Just I let off.
I don't know. I did the opposite. I overcooked my shit.
Ah, 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 ah. deep in the ocean, but my head is high in the sky. An angel's calling me over, but my feet won't take me that high. Drowning in my emotions, but I'm rising into the light. My heart's spirit cannot be broken. Now my heart's ready to fly. Give me your wings so we can go high up into the sky. So take me away, night after night. I need you to get there, give me the light. And just like a bird, take to the sky. I need it for a single moment tonight. Give me your wings, I need it to fly. So we can go high up into the sky. Now my heart's ready to fly. Now my heart's ready to fly. Give me your wings so we can go high up into the sky. So take me away, night after night. I need you to get there, give me the light. And just like a bird, take to the sky. I need it for a single moment tonight. So give me your wings, I need it to fly. So we can go high up into the sky.
Michael, hold up.
Give me your wings so we can go high up into the sky. So take me away, night after night. I need you to get there, give me the light. And just like a bird, take to the sky. I need it for a single moment tonight. So give me your wings, I need it to fly. So we can go high up into the sky. Let's do it now. Give me your wings so we can go high up into the sky. So take me away, night after night. I need you to get there, give me the light. Just like a bird, take to the sky. I need it for a single moment tonight. So give me your wings, I need it to fly. So we can go high up into the sky.
Not forward. Act forward, not forward.
How are you, bud?
Hey,
Hey man, you gotta drive cooler.
What happened to your car?
Oh, look at that.
That is cooler, man.
Oh, never mind. You're driving fine.
Look at this.
What the?
It's infinity!
Oh my God, you went a lot. I love it. All right,
This has been sitting in my closet forever because we didn't have night events
I
no more.
want it.
I love it.
Compliments on compliments.
About to compliment Mike's door right here.
that was kind of nutty, right? Gotta put some purple on here, boy. We gotta go. Hold this, DJ, hold this. I didn't realize it's 57 already. We only have 47 seconds of EYB day one. It's gonna take me a minute to get this seatbelt on. Horn button came out on me. Son of a... Well, off for tomorrow. He's lucky. He gets a pass for tonight. He can sleep peacefully. No, not indoors. No purple on his car. God damn. Hey, the last run when I like stopped, my horn button came out of the steering wheel and the wires were getting tangled up and was hitting every lever on the steering wheel. The wipers going crazy, the blinkers going like, what the this thing's spinning around and God, dude, on my last day.
Y'all had the track ready.
End of day one. Antidote completely smoked out the track. Gripping and gripping, and it's like, alright.
I feel like I was swinging.
Bro, you're rolling. Like, especially, I can't see you on entry, but if you're keeping up with me, like, on the entry, as soon as that clutch kick, I feel like I'm